So what is Blackline Vionyx? Vionyx is an SiO2 ceramic polymer that bonds to your car's paint, unlike a wax that just sits on top. Here's what comes in your box. First, a bottle of Vionyx and a premium sprayer head for even application. You're also gonna get a custom Blackline microfiber to buff Vionyx in and out. But here's how to actually apply it. Step 1 is to clean and dry the vehicle and stay out of direct sunlight. Step 2 is to apply Vionyx to a microfiber and work it in one panel at a time and then let it haze for a few seconds. Now step 3, after a few seconds, buff off with a clean towel or the other side of your microfiber until it is completely clear with no streaks or haze. Step 4 is to keep it dry for 4 to 6 hours while the ceramic layer bonds. No rain and no rinsing. Once fully cured, you can resume your washing routine and have 6 months of hydrophobic protection. This is real gloss enhancement, not a temporary shine, an actual deep finish. So replace that $1,000 ceramic coating with one bottle of Vionyx from clicking the link down below.